Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 5100M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. The tractor has the 540M quick attach front end loader that goes with it. The loader is plumbed for Grapple. The tractor is rated at 100 horsepower, has a 4-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with turbo. Again, the 540M loader is plumbed for a Grapple. Has a John Deere style hookup here for your bucket connection. Has the heavy duty front bucket on it. Front grill guard is on the machine. Does have the premium cab with the sunroof and the better speaker system in it. Back here, tires are in good shape. Does have the buttons on the fender for the PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. It does have the heavy duty arms on it. 540E PTO. Dual remotes back here. Also have the buttons to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Rear wiper and rear work light back here as well. The tractor is just right at 1100 hours. I believe it's just under 1100 hours currently. Nice clean unit. And again, this is the Deluxe Cab. Has the visibility window up top there, so if you're stacking bales or anything to that nature, you can see out the top there, see what you're doing with your loader raised up high, so that's a real nice feature. It does have the buddy seat here as well. Air ride seat here for the operator. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Also has a control module here allowing you to set how aggressive that reverser is. So if you want it more smooth, you can set it that way, or if you want it a little more aggressive, you can set it that way simply by the turn of a dial there. 32-speed transmission, has 4 ranges back here, 4 gears on this lever, and then a power high-low on the buttons on the shifter. You can split every gear. The splitter there can be shifted without clutching, so 32 total speeds. Loader control with that button right there for your third function, and then all your hydraulic controls located to the right here. Up top you have radio, climate controls, and again that visibility window. Very nice clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.